Good evening everyone. My name is Aaron Christian Eloto from BS Cream 22. So, for today, I will discuss the difference between the exclusionary rule and fruit of the poisonous tree doctrine. So, let me first discuss what is exclusionary rule. So, in exclusionary rule, the court may not obtain evidence by unreasonable search and seizures regardless of its relevance to the case. So it just say that the illegally obtained evidence is not acceptable in the court. So for example, you go to the illegal operation with no search warrant. So the evidence taken from that operation is not acceptable in the court. So next naman is the fruit of the poisonous tree. So in the fruit of poisonous tree naman is the extension or the extension of the exclusionary rule. So in the exclusionary rule, the evidence taken to that, if anything discovered more to that evidence is also not allowed to the court. So that's the fruit of the poison doctrine. So example, if the evidence that taken to that exclusionary rule, so if that anything discovered about that evidence, then make again another evidence. So that evidence is not allowed to the court. So in short, the exclusionary rule is stop the use of illegal evidence itself, while the fruit of the poisonous tree doctrine is also blocks the another evidence that came from it. So that's all. So sana marami kayo natutunan. Thank you.